Pair of linear equations in two variables. This chapter is there in Telangana State Board and also CBSE syllabus also. Pair of linear equations in two variables. The standard form of linear equation, we know that linear equation means which is having one only as degree. So such type of equations are called linear equations. First degree equations are called linear equations. The linear equation general form or standard form is ax plus by plus c equals to 0 and a square plus b square not equals to 0. Pair means two equations, two linear equations in two variables x and y. Two variables means here we are going to take x and y. First of all, we are going to write what is the linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables, ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a square plus b square not equals to 0 and a comma b comma c are real numbers. Okay, this is the standard form or general form of the linear equation in two variables x and y. Ax plus by plus c equals to 0. The condition is a square plus b square not equals to 0. A, b, c are real numbers. Now we are going to write a pair of linear equations in two variables x and y. Pair means we have to write two linear equations. One linear equation means we can write ax plus by plus c equals to 0. We are going to take here two linear equations in two variables, no? That's why a, b, c instead of we are going to write a1, b1, c1 in another equation a2, b2, c2. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. This is one equation. a2x plus b2y plus c2y is equals to 0. This is second equation. So these are the pair of linear equations in two variables x and y. Here a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2 are real numbers, and here we have two conditions also, where a1 square plus b1 square not equals to 0 and a2 square plus b2 square not equals to 0. a1, b1, c1 real numbers, a2, b2, c2 also real numbers. a1, b1, c1 are coefficients in the first linear polynomial, linear equation. In the second one, the coefficients are a2, b2, c2. Okay, this is the one pair of linear equations in two variables. These are called also the general form or standard form. Standard form of the pair of linear equations in two variables x and y. Okay, now by comparing this a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, we have three conditions, children. Now we are going to compare a1 by a2. a1 by a2. First condition, a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. Not equals to b1 by b2. If a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2, then the given equations are given equations are intersecting lines and consistent. Intersecting lines and consistent, they have unique solution. Next, the second one is, if a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2, then the given equations are parallel lines and inconsistent lines. They have no solution. The third one is, if a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2, then they are coincident or dependent lines or equations. Dependent lines, they have infinitely many solutions. And consistent. So these three cases conditions, lines will be like this, intersecting lines. So this condition, parallel lines, okay, they don't have any solutions. Now these are coincident or dependent lines, so they have infinitely many solutions, children.